CrossBraining allows students to upload video, capture video using their device camera, or to screen record. To screen record, click Screen Record, Capture Screen, Allow, and Save. This is great for capturing 3D modeling on software like Tinkercad. By clicking the plus button, you can add multiple videos to a phase. So if you wanted to add in some screen recording of your code, you can do that as well. When you're done, both of the videos will splice together into one video, and then you can narrate that video. Then practice your narration for fluency, re-record as necessary. When it's fluent, click Save, and now it's time to answer the reflection questions. You can also activate the device camera by clicking Capture, Capture Video, and record your project using your device camera. Click Save. Trim your video. And you will see that the assignment is done and the final video can be clicked. You can preview it, and you can also change the music in the background. Click the three dots to download, or two-finger tap to copy the video link address, or to save the video as. Your video is done. You can now go into assignment status and see how your group is doing compared to the other groups in the class.